Sean, you work over here?
This shit. Yo. What's up? Hey. How you guys doing today? I hope everybody doing great. You know what I'm saying? Happy day. It's a great day in New York City. You know, great day. Weather's nice. You know what I'm saying? And I hope everybody doing good today. Shout out for all my subscribers, all my viewers. Thank you so much for always tuning in. I'm always having new content, guys. I do etc. I do games, I do sneakers, etc. Entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? I love what I do. So, and I love meeting new people. You know what I'm saying? So, definitely let me know. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway once when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. But, hey. It is lit. I got a brand new sneakers. It was very limited. I know you're seeing it in the beginning, but these are the Shai. Limited, extremely limited. You know what I'm saying? I got it in the store. I still haven't opened these up yet. Crazy thing, I haven't opened these up. Let's see how it looks. And these are the first colorway. You know, they coming out with more colorways in the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. Woo! Whoa! Yo! Oh my God! Wow! I ain't gonna front, guys. These look so different than the photos. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, these are Converse. Wow, Converse. Wow, amazing Converse. Honestly, these are the best Converse I ever seen. Let me know in the comments, you know, your favorite Converse. But these, Nike doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? They put in, you know, because Nike brought out Converse, so now you can get Converse on Sneakers app. If you didn't know, you could get the Converse on the Sneakers app, and you could get or you know, you could get it on Converse. But wow, these sneakers, you already know I got to do the smell test. Ooh. Lit. It's lit. I got my shade. Yeah, that's a one great way to tell if a sneaker is fake or real, by smelling it. But these are amazing. I ain't gonna lie. These are the best Converse ever. I'm not gonna lie. And then it says down the bottom, Air Zoom. So that's how you know it's, you know, Nike influenced this Converse. So this is giving like a designer, you know, a real designer sneaker. This is crazy. And this is, you know, Shai, he's a basketball player, you know what I'm saying? Pretty in the league or whatnot. Wow, this feels so good. I love this. I love the color. It's like a yellowish butter feel to it. Oh my God. The material right here is like so soft. Wow. It feels so great. Wow. The yellow inside feel good. Super good. And then look at the bottom. Now I wish these were my size. I couldn't get my size anyways because it was extremely limited. These are a size 8. And I was the last person to shop, so you could imagine like what people was fiending for this. I love the fact they got the zipper too, so then you know when you're walking around, you get more comfortability, you know, and more air as well. You know, when you're walking around, that's why it says It says air down the bottom. Oh, this is the air down the bottom right here. This is the air part right here. I feel this is kind of soft. And then it says, yeah, air zoom. Pretty dope. I love the shoelace. I love the shoelace. The material is amazing. And yeah, the inside. Let me know. Did you get a pair? And these are super cheap. It came out to what? A retail is $135. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Retail is amazing. Sneaker feel amazing. The tongue, I love this part right here. So when you're wearing it, it sticks up. I wish I could try it on. Honestly, many sneakers. I know if you been watching the channel, so many sneakers I got. But these by far is fire. Super fire, and I would love to toe it. Let me know your thoughts on a scale of 1 to 10. What would you toe these? Me, I would tow it. But you know, I have to sell it for my, you know what, I'm gonna sell it and then buy another pair. Or there's many other colors coming out. There's a black one coming out. Many colors. These are nice Converse. He did his thing. I ain't gonna lie. Shay, you did your thing. Shai, amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful sneaker, Converse sneaker. Mega limited. The only way you get it is in the tier 0 stores, meaning that Kiv, you know, undefeated stuff. Yeah, guys. So this is the up close. Whoa. Look at that detail. The detail is amazing. You see that, guys? The stitching is amazing. This reminds me, this is like a designer shoe. Wow, Converse did it thing. Nike did it thing, of course. Wow. Let me know your thoughts on this. I love that zipper part. The zipper part with the shoe, it just... And then it got the Converse in the back. I'm surprised they don't have like the Nike symbol, but got the Converse sign, logo in the back. Then, you know, I'm surprised. That's hilarious. But yeah, you know, and then you see the inside of it, guys, you know. And yeah, size 8 men's, you know. And yeah, look at the feel of it. Wow. It feels really, really nice. So soft. And then this is the cushion part. This is when you could even like do sports in this. You know what I'm saying? It is kind of like a basketball shoe. So when you're walking around, it got that air. So when you can breathe, you know. And then it got the zipper part, which is nice. And I love this. Wow. Feels great. And the tongue part feels so nice and smooth. Wow. Make sure you guys, you know, get your hands on these. These, I would say, are a great toe. 10 out of 10. And I don't say that for many sneakers. If you've been watching my videos, you know I don't say 10 out of 10 for sneakers. Especially for a Converse. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't purchased a Converse in years. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. In years. So, you know, Air Zoom. Hey, shout out to Nike for doing this nice silhouette and Converse. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you check on the Nike app. Secure your pair. Secure your pair. If you haven't, let me know. I got you. Like that. This is the only way you was getting this. Only way getting these. Oh, yeah. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts on these. These are super fire. Super fire. But yeah. I hope you guys have a great day. You know, make sure you try to get these. And the aftermarket, I mean, let me know. You know, message me. And yeah, I have a Discord. I'll leave it in the description. And yeah, guys, have a great day. Drink your water, guys. Drink your water, guys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, amazing sneaker. I will be getting all the other colors. There's 3 other colors coming out. Is the black, some other 2 colors. But stay tuned. I'm gonna grab all 3 now. I'm gonna get all 3. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.